This homemade flu killer recipe will help you prevent getting cold and flu as fast as possible. What will you need for this miracle combo to knock off the flu? 2 tablespoons honey. Juice of 1 ripe lemon. 1 inch or knob fresh ginger minced, sliced or grated. 2 garlic cloves minced, sliced or grated. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/8 teaspoon ground chili peppers. 4 ounces green tea. Instructions. Make a tea and set aside. Allow it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, chop or grate the rest of the ingredients and add to the cup or a heat-safe jar. Pour hot water or a tea over it, mix well and let it sit in the hot liquid for 5 minutes. You may drink it as it is, or use a fine mesh tea strainer and get rid of the leftover pulp. Drink it twice a day for 2 to 3 days for the best results. Try it and let us hear from you in the comments how helpful it was. Thank you for watching. Your Healthline Matters. Subscribe to Healthline Matters so you do not miss any of our weekly video tips and secrets to improve your health, fitness, and lifestyle.